Hi everyone! So I found something and went down a rabbit hole that I really couldn't keep to myself, and it was too long of an odyssey to just send it into the group chat. So here it is. Thanks for clicking. I promise it's going to be worth it. Okay, so my poster presentation is about microRNAs and hearing loss. And in the papers I've been reading, they keep talking about the seed region, and I wanted to get like a visual representation of it. And then I notice as I'm looking through Google Images, I'm like, oh wait, does that say parcel tongue? So I click on it, and yes, indeed, it does say parcel tongue. And I'm thinking to myself, like, is this just like a Sonic Hedgehog protein, Pikachurin kind of situation where just a whole bunch of nerds decided to name something after pop culture? So I go ahead and visit the site that it links to. Like, okay, yeah, that's interesting. Obviously, this is not real science, but I am fascinated. So I go ahead and click on the PDF link and going through the paper, and a couple of people actually, put in a lot of time and effort and just hard work into this situation. Like, look, they even have a wizard genome browser for USC, and it's just incredible. And there's like actual figures in here too. So I am very curious, and I decided to go over to the main URL just to see what's up. And so I do. And it brings me to the Science Creative Quarterly page, which I have never heard of before, but I'm just fascinated. And I click on this link for Science of Harry Potter, and it brings up a whole bunch of these articles. See, here's the microRNA 96 right there, but there's also like science behind Metamorph Magi, and you know what happens whenever you drink Polyjuice Potion? Apparently your genome shrinks or something like that. I haven't read all of them, obviously, but it has just been a crazy little find. It's essentially scientific article fanfic, which I was not expecting at all while doing this research project. So, I just wanted to share it with y'all because I thought you would appreciate it. Alrighty, bye.